Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing like a fitness vlog, I guess. I don't know, but I'm going to Crunch Fitness. I've never been to Crunch Fitness, so we're gonna see how it goes, okay? And I guess I'll take y'all along for a little bit. I definitely need to wash my hair. I need to wash my hair. So yeah, I'm about to go meet a friend, and I guess I'll see y'all when I get there. So what's my form?
To your belly button.
What?
To your belly button.
Like that?
And let it stretch you out.
Am I doing it right?
Perfect.
How many do I do?
Yeah, right there.
I don't even What ad suggestion do you have? Is this a good one? I said, what ad suggestion do you have? Is this a good one?
Basically, whenever I see
I'm done. Huh? I just did bicycles, so. I forgot like what else to do for abs.
bicycle base.
I just did those.
No, not the bicycle base.
This is your content. It's supposed to be your content.
So all of them have like weights like this one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's the entrance.
Yeah.
That's what I sound.
Y'all, I did not know I was gonna get a workout like that. He had me in there sweating, okay? Sweating, but